In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the QuickBooks online default email message text. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you can customize your default email messages with ease, and it should only take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's get started by first signing into QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser, type in the QuickBooks website and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a sign in button. Click on it to proceed. This step is crucial because an account is required to make any changes to your QuickBooks settings, and personalizing your email messages is no exception. Next, you'll be prompted to log into QuickBooks Online. Make sure to select the QuickBooks Online option if you're managing multiple versions. This ensures you are in the correct interface to make the email changes we'll discuss today. With that selected, it's time to enter your login credentials. Type in your username and password carefully and hit the continue button. Once you're logged in, the next destination is the settings menu. To find this, locate the gear icon, usually situated in the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. The gear icon gives you access to the broader settings of your account, so you can configure various options beyond just email messages. In the drop-down menu, select the account and settings option. This section allows you to manage all account-specific settings, such as your company details, sales preferences, and more. Clicking on account and settings will load a new page filled with options for personalizing your QuickBooks experience. Now let's focus specifically on editing email messages. In the account and settings section, you'll see various tabs on the left side. Click on the Sales tab, allowing you to customize settings related to invoices and sales forms. This section is where you can control how your sales documents are sent and perceived by clients. Under the Sales settings, look for the Messages option. This area is key to our task today as it contains the default text settings for the emails that accompany your sales forms. Clicking Messages will allow you to view and modify the standard wording your customers receive. Once you are in the Messages section, you'll see the option to edit the email message template. Take this moment to make any necessary changes to suit your business style and branding. This could be anything from a simple greeting to detailed instructions or notes you want your clients to see. Personalizing these messages can significantly enhance customer experience and clarity. After making your changes, the final crucial step is to save them. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom right of the page. Clicking this button ensures that all your edits are stored and will be used in future email communications. And that's it. You've successfully customized your QuickBooks Online default email message text. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime you need to make additional changes. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your communications reflect your business's professionalism and attention to detail. Thank you for tuning in, and happy customizing.